What's going on, everyone? I am your host, DeFi Sean, and you are watching Krypton Cause Investing, back talking some Infinaeon. Now, the time has finally come that you can add the test network for Infinaeon to your MetaMask so that you can personally test out the Infinaeon blockchain, the world's first ever appreciating blockchain. The first blockchain that with every single transaction, more and more ETH will be added to the wrapped contract, making the blockchain from an ETH perspective more and more valuable again with every single transaction. Now, before we get started, make sure you go ahead and hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and check out the call channel link down below. So we're going to go ahead and take this very slow. First step, we're going to have to add the Infinaeon blockchain to your MetaMask. So you're going to hop on over to your MetaMask. You're going to go to the top left and you're going to go to Add Network. Once there, you're going to have it pop up just like this, and we're going to add a network manually. Now keep in mind, you're going to see some error messages because mine's already added, but everything you see right here will be in the description down below so that you can add it accordingly. So the network name is going to be Infinaeon. We're going to hop on over to the Telegram to get the rest of the information, but like I said, it will be linked in the description down below. First up, we're going to have the RPC, which we're going to go ahead and copy that. We are going to head back over. Then we are going to, again, remember, mine's already added, so that's why this came up. In your case, if you're watching this video and adding it for the first time, this message will not pop back up. We're going to go back over. We have our chain ID, which is 420003. Again, come back on over. The cryptocurrency is going to be simple. It is going to be ETH. And then next we need the block explorer URL. So we're going to come back on over. We are going to copy the link right here and head back over. Once we paste it, you are going to go ahead and save this. Now remember, I've already added it, so that's why you see all the red that you see when I'm adding it to this right here. Once added, it is all going to be in your MetaMask. As you can see, you have your Ethereum, Heliski, and every network that you have on your MetaMask will be here along with Infinaeon. So that's the first step. Once we have it added to your MetaMask, I'm going to show you exactly how to get ETH over. Now, again, remember, this is virtual ETH, so no real money or currency required. But I'm going to go ahead and show you right now how to get ETH over to this wallet. So next step is getting our virtual ETH over to our wallet. I will link this right here in the description so you know exactly where to go. You're probably going to have to make sure you log into your Google account, and then next you're going to have to come to MetaMask. Now remember, you already added the Infinaeon network. You're going to have to copy your wallet address, and you are going to enter that right here. Once that's entered, you go ahead and receive one Heliski. Each Google account wallet address gets one drip. Okay, so I've already gotten my drip because I did it prior to the video, but in your case, it will go ahead and send it over to you. So that's all you have to do from this perspective. Now, once it hits your wallet, up next, we're going to show you how to go from Ethereum to the Infinaeon network. All right, so we have everything entered on our MetaMask, and we also have our test ETH. Now, again, of course, everything will be linked in order in the description down below. But next up, we need to send that test ETH over to the Infinaeon network. So as you can see right here, wallet is connected. We have one total from when I got the test ETH in the previous segment. We're going to send 0.8. We're going to review deposit. We're going to confirm deposit. Now we are going to send deposit. Now, of course, this is going to go through. Once this goes through, we are going to have our test ETH on our Infinaeon network. That's going to be when you can hop on over to the DEX and you can make trades, you can wrap ETH, do all that fun stuff. So this is the final step before you actually start interacting on the Infinaeon blockchain. All right, so now we have everything on MetaMask. We have our test ETH. We have our test ETH sent to the Infinaeon network. Now we can go ahead and hop on over to the DEX, which again will be linked in the description down below. We can go ahead and swap tokens. We can use our test ETH to go ahead and swap any token we want, just like you would on any other DEX. Coming back, you have the add liquidity section. Again, go ahead and test it out. If you're a developer, go ahead and launch a token. We can wrap and unwrap into our wrapped ETH so that you can get that ever appreciating value attached to your ETH. Same thing, you just go ahead and send your ETH over to the wrapped ETH, and it's that simple. Hopefully, everyone's excited about it, can hop on over, add it to their test network, and go ahead and start playing around on the DEX for themselves. But that's going to do it for today's video. And until next time, trade safe.